of my soul, turning scattered dreams into a goal. I met creators from around the world and watched new possibilities unfold. Together we created, together we grew, sharing inspiration in all we do. What once felt distant now feels so near, a future filled with purpose, bright and clear. I found my song, I found my place, a deeper purpose I could embrace. With every note and every line, I found a reason to let my light shine. I found my song, now I belong, with hearts united and spirits strong. Through every challenge, through every climb, I found my purpose, one song at a time. There were moments I almost let go of the dream, when every shadow tried to steal its gleam. But every lesson, every friend I found added another layer to the sound. Now the music carries more than words can say. It is the story of the road that shaped my way.